Welcome back. The holidays are right around the corner, so it's time to give yourself a gift, maybe a loved one, a really great gift, and that is not having to deal with liposuction, scars, anything crazy like that. We have Dr. O here from DrO Lift. You are the Dr. O. You are the woman who can fix all of those problems.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so what did you feel like the need was for bringing something so incredible to San Antonio?
It's actually something that I personally was struggling with. I had a son, and this loose skin that was left on my tummy just wouldn't go away with just diet and exercise. I lost the weight, I was back to the size I wanted to be, but this loose skin just wouldn't go anywhere. And I didn't want surgery because I was going to be left with a scar going from hip to hip.
Right.
So I sought out the non-invasive option that was basically available to celebrities in South Beach. I flew out there and got the treatment done. And I spoke to the inventor. After only 6 treatments and my torso was returned back to normal, I said, can you teach me this? I need to take this back.
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. You can see right there on the left, that's my stomach after dieting and exercising for years to try to get it back. And in just 2 weeks, 10 days, I was able to get what you're looking at on the right side. No cutting, no pain, no downtime.
And that's one of the problems with liposuction, and one of the great things about what you offer is you have this procedure and you're smaller than you want to be, you're the size you want to be, and you want to go show it off, but now you have scars. So you don't want to show it off. But with this, you absolutely can be rocking your bikini really quickly.
Absolutely. And the best part is that because you don't have any downtime, you don't have to miss work. You can come at your lunch hour and get this procedure done. Most body parts will take about 45 minutes and you'll be back to work. No one has to know you're undergoing any procedures, and you just show your tummy off later.
And right now what we're looking at is the no-cut neck tuck. Tell us a little bit about this.
Absolutely. So patients have loose jowls. Basically, they have what we call the turkey neck, just wrinkles on the neck that you kind of just makes you look older than you really are. And this can also be tightened with this procedure. Basically, it's like the facelift without any cutting. We basically can chisel out your jaw again so you can actually see them in just a few treatments. And the video you were just looking at was actually a staff member of mine that you see in the office.
That's great. We're at the end of November right now, so we're getting ready for Christmas and all of the holidays coming up in December. This is a great time to go and get it done. Like we said before, it's magic. Go get it done, show your family and friends. I can look this amazing. Now's the time to do it. And you get busy, I've heard.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. We do have a special offer for your viewers, though, so we'll talk about that.
Yeah, we'll get to that in a second. But we want to talk about also the scar revision. If you maybe had a C-section, maybe a tragic accident, something that left a scar, and you want to get rid of it, you can do that as well.
Absolutely. In fact, even for patients that have already had the traditional tummy tuck, where they're now left with a scar that they have to actually hide, we can do this procedure basically to reduce the appearance of the scar. As you can see in the video that's playing right now, there's a patient on the left side after a traditional tummy tuck, and you can see the video result right afterwards showing the reduction in that scar. So the first thing you see now when you look at her is not the scar, but actually our flat torso.
And we touched on this earlier. Let's go ahead and talk about the special offer you have going on.
Actually, so for all your viewers, basically this month of November, during the holidays, we're offering a Try Me holiday special that is for 2 treatments on any body area that you're interested in for only $3.99.
Wow. That's awesome. We want to give everybody your information. Thank you, Dr. O, for joining us this morning. DrO Lift there on Sonterra. She is on Sonterra Boulevard. You can call her at 855-DRO Medical or visit drolift.com.